Alright guys, I'm just showing you how to replace cabin air filter. This is an Audi. This is a 2013. So what you do guys is simple. You just come on the passenger side, this passenger side. You just guys see right there. Let's come right there guys. We have like this black plastic up here, and then we have the one behind there. So guys, you do the behind one. We have this plastic stuff, so you use your regular hands. You just turn them, and this one comes out. It's just plastic stuff. And guys, in the corner right here we have a second one. You turn them, this one comes out, you put right down there. And then the last one in the middle here, you just tie like that. This one comes out, then you can just take this one back like this and pull it. It's a plastic thing right there. And guys, when you come right here, we have a white strip stuff right there. So this is where cabin air filter is. So what you do, you push it to the front. There's a US version. It's going to be on the right side of the car. So you just push it this way. And then once it does that, it unlocks, and then it comes like that. You take this guy or guys, and then you put it down there. Then guys, right here guys, this thing is a bit tricky. You just pull it slowly. You just pull it from the way, just like that. You just bend it so that it just comes. Oh shit, this thing is dirty, man. Just put it like that. So guys, we have our own cabin filter out like that. So guys, it's just simple as that. It's just a minute and then it's out. And once that is done guys, you take a new one and then you can put it back in there, and then you can replace in reverse. I hope this guys really helps you out. And then guys, you put back the bolts, and then you just align it well the way it was, and then you guys should be good to go. I hope this video really helps you out. See you next video. Alright, bye bye.